So another function is in Delta PLC, this is PLSV function for servo drive for pulse. So this function also this is a pulse function, and what we have here, this name is actually variable speed pulse output. So in as two kind of the function, what we have PLSY and PLSR for ramp, we don't have variable frequency. That in that function we will start so our frequency, the speed we can change, but the number of frequency we cannot change there. Yeah, we need to start and stop again. But here what we have pulse output frequency. We don't have number of the frequency. We have pulse device. So this is our pulse output, and this one is our direction. These two. Actually, we can say this is same to variable frequency drive. Your servo drive is more servo motor working. Same to simple motor with using the VFD here. Okay, function, we don't have more. One I need for servo on. Again, this I need to change. And one I need only for direction. Direction also we have inside. Compare, and I will download. I have communication. But again, yes, can go online. So now from Kinco DTools, also I just have on, direction, and function on. I have only frequency here. I don't have more details here. So now I will give the frequency. First, maybe I need to servo on. Now we can see if I on, I think this memory I can give negative. The direction is automatically changing here. If I give the negative value for frequency, you can see I can increase. So I can directly change the frequency, same working same to variable frequency drive here. Maximum, I think it's more than my motor speed here. 8,000. This is my maximum. This is maximum speed of my motor. Direction can automatically change, and speed also is changing here. I make off this memory. So this is only the PLSV function. We have also DPLSV. This is the variable pulse, only variable pulse. So this is a very easy function, a pulse function. just we have only one pulse frequency, so this is the speed of our motor, and we have one for pulse output and one for the direction of the motor.